In this video, I will show you how to download and install Call of Duty Warzone on a PC for absolutely free. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm currently on my desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser. And what you want to do from here is navigate to the official Call of Duty website, which is actually callofduty.com. And after this, what you want to do is just put a / and then put Warzone to be taken to the Warzone section of the Call of Duty website. So you can see this is the official website and it says here play free now. So what you want to do is just scroll down and you can choose your platform on how you want to download and play Call of Duty Warzone. Because of course this is for PC, you've got the option between Battle.net and Steam. And for the purpose of this tutorial today, I will be using Steam. So what I'm going to do is click on Steam here and you'll see what's going to happen. That's going to load up a new page. And basically it's just going to do a quick age verification because of course this game may contain content not appropriate for all ages. So what you want to do is enter your date of birth. And once that's done, just simply click the view page button underneath. So this is going to take you across to the game page for Steam. Of course, if you chose to download it on Battle.net, then it's going to look slightly different to this one. So from here, all you need to do is simply scroll down and you're going to see it says play Call of Duty Warzone 2.0. So what you can do is play the game straight away, or you can add it to your library. So what I'm going to do is click the blue add to library button. And what's going to happen, you'll see there's now a pop-up that comes up saying it's been added to my account and it's now available in the Steam library. So what I'm now going to do is come to the search bar in the bottom left-hand corner and just go ahead and open up my Steam. And you'll see if I come across to the library that on the left-hand side here, we have Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Warzone 2. From here, all you need to do is click the blue install button and you can see the space required is 36.32 gigabyte. But yes, all you want to do is click this install button here. And you have got the option to create a desktop shortcut and a start menu shortcut if you want to. It's going to give you a rough estimation of the download time. And if you're happy to go ahead, all you want to do is go ahead and click next. I'm not going to be able to do it because I've not actually got enough space to install it today. So I would need to free up some room on my computer. But all you would do is go through this installation process and install it. And if you're on Steam, what will happen, this button, once it's fully installed, will change to play. So you'll be able to go ahead and start playing that straight away. So I hope this quick video helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you did drop down below the video, left a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.